Good morning everyone. In yesterday's class we have learned about leaves. Today we are going to learn about on the basic shape of leaves. There are 6 type of shape of leaves. Needle shape, oval shape, heart shape, oblong shape, circular shape and tapering shape. What are needle shaped leaves? Pine, onion. Oval shapes are guava, apple. Heart shaped are people. Oblong shape is banana. Circular shape example is lotus. Tapering shape is eucalyptus and ashoka. On the basic margin, see this picture. Okay, complete or entire margin present on people. Toothed or serrated margin present on China rose. Like this is there is no picture of China rose also. And wavy margin is on Ashoka and mango. Spinous margin is on prickly poppy. Arrangement of leaves. The arrangement of leaves on the stem on its branch is called phyllotaxy. What is phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy is the arrangement of leaves on a stem or its branch is called phyllotaxy. It can be alternate, opposite, whorled. It's this type, 3 types. What are alternate types? Only one leaves arise from each node and the next leaf arises from the successive node in the opposite direction. Examples, you can see this example. These are examples of alternate leaf arrangement. And this is opposite. Second one is this is opposite. What are opposite? In this kind of plant like jasmine and guava, 2 leaves are arise on each node opposite to each other. That means in each node there are 2 leaves present opposite to each other. This is called opposite arrangement. Whorled leaf. Whorled is more than 2 leaves are attached in at each node. Arranged and whorled leaves. Example is oleander. Variation of leaves. Arrangement of veins in the lamina is called venation of leaves. It's mainly of 2 types, reticulate venation and parallel venation. What is reticulate venation? It is in this type of venation, veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed. You can see this picture. In this picture, the veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed among the lamina, forming a network. Like examples are people, mango and guava. Parallel variation. In this type of venation, veins are parallel to each other. Example, banana leaves, grass, maize, etc. Today we are going to learn what are the functions of leaves. Leaves are an important part of the plant. They perform various functions, but the 2 main functions is two main functions are photosynthesis and transpiration. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which production of food occurs. The term photosynthesis mean combining by light. Photo means light and synthesis mean combine. or making. During photosynthesis, water is combined with carbon dioxide to produce glucose. In this term photosynthesis, we can say that in presence of light or photo something or synthesis means making, the food making is occur. That's why this process is called photosynthesis. All green plants have the capability to prepare their own food. They are therefore called autotrophs. Auto means self and trophs mean nourishment. This method is called autotrophic nutrition. For preparing food, the plants require this following: water, they get water from soil by roots, carbon dioxide from air, chlorophyll that's contained in the leaf, energy from sunlight. This process, the process by which plant leaf prepare or synthesize food from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, is called photosynthesis. Now you all know the what is photosynthesis. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plant prepare food by water and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. I hope you all understand today's class. In next class we will all learn about the transpirations. Photosynthesis is too much important. If you don't understand anything, let me know. I will explain that to you. Goodbye.